know the vibe, we out here. Today's video basically is about to be how to wheelie a bike. And first off, before the video start, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Carlos_from_NY. Links will be in the description. Right, there's 3 simple steps to wheeling. The first step will be literally when you start. First, you gotta find out which is your basic, like which is your strong dominant foot. For me, since I'm left-handed, I'll use my left foot. For example, if you right-handed, you probably push off your right foot. That's such. Literally, a lot of people mess up on wheeling. They think it's literally all from the arms. Like literally, everybody would be like, it's not like that. Literally, it all comes from your pedals. Literally, all from the pedals. Basically, I'm gonna show you a little example of how like you will push off with your foot. At first, like before you even start, when you about to pick up your bike, make sure you see how the cranks is literally like, imagine a clock, right? Imagine this is a whole clock, and you see your crank is at 11 o'clock. That's when you want to press down, and while you press down, pick up the bike at the same time. But the most important thing, keep your fingers on the brake. You don't want to just fall back. I'm gonna show you a little example. So watch. Go slow. Once it hit 11 o'clock, right here is when you press, and then you pick the bike up. So watch. And you just play with your brakes. See, some key tips also is the position of your seat, mostly. As you can see, you see how his seat is like on more of a slant. I'll highly suggest you put your seat like this. With the seat, yeah, keep it like on towards an angle, like on a slant. Like as you can see on my bike too. Don't mind the seat. I'm gonna block this on. You see, my seat is not as much slanted because I'm pretty good at it, but I'm pretty good at it. But yeah, for the beginners, yeah, I highly suggest you slant your seat. And another thing is, when you first starting off, don't slam your seat. Do not slam your seat. Do not slam your seat. If you slam your seat like this, it's gonna be so hard. It's gonna be so difficult to pick up your bike. So like, if you first starting off, make sure your seat is at least not all the way up, but not slammed down. At least like halfway how I have mine. It'll be like way easier. Show you another example. Like, I'm left-handed, so like if you right-handed, you just do the opposite way from right here. You see how my foot right at 11 o'clock or 1 o'clock since you right-handed? So you want to press down, and right as you press down, you want to pop the bike up. And make sure your finger is always on the brake. You got to play with your brake. You got to make sure you find your balance point. So the balance point is literally the point between you almost falling back and you almost falling forward. You right in the middle. That's your balance point. All right, so to explain more on your balance point, which a lot of people really don't understand, I'm gonna explain furthermore. So the balance point is literally where the bike is not falling back, so you have to tap your brakes, or the bike is not too forward, where you have to pedal. So right when your bike is literally right, when you're in the middle of both of it, where you do not have to tap the brakes, it's called your balance point. Here's an example right here. Go slow, it hit 11 o'clock, pick up. Oh, I warmed out. 11 o'clock, pick the bike up, just pedal. See how I'm tapping the brakes? Once you feel like you're a little too back, you click the brakes. A little too back. See, now I'm at my balance point. I don't need to use the brakes as much. See, I'm not touching the brakes. If I'm full back, hit the brakes. Full back, hit the brakes. See? Hitting the brakes, play with the brakes, keep it up. See? Play with the brakes, all within the brakes. Trust your brakes. Trust your brakes. All in all, once you put all them steps together, you set your pedal at the right place where it's supposed to be at. You press down, you pick up. It's literally all in the feet. It's not it's not freaking all this shoulder movement. It's literally all in the feet. Play with your brakes. Eventually, don't give up, because you just got to be consistent. Like, I remember when I first started wheeling, like, I could not pick the bike up for nothing. So like, be consistent with it. Don't give up. Eventually you're gonna get it. The main thing, a lot of people just give up too short and they'll never learn how to wheelie. So stay consistent, and one day you're gonna be picking up that will be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more. In the comment section, actually let me know what you want to see me post. Other than that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Carlos_from NY. Links will be in the description below.